Now this is how I use my Dolphin Glaze 2-part putty for perfecting things. I did a little tapping on the metal between the Mondo at the front of the quarter panel and the Mondo at the back of the quarter panel. So I'm going to tie them together with a thin coat of Dolphin Glaze. And the panel is nearly straight already, so I don't need to put it on thick. I just put a nice thin coat on there, and I'm following the shape with the spreader. And I'll go up and down and side to side. It helps push out any air bubbles that might be in it that'll make more pinholes, and we don't want to make any more pinholes than we have to. And when I get over into the Mondo work, then I'm only trying to get rid of the pinholes. There's no low spots or anything to fill in. I'm just smearing it around and going in different directions with the spreader in order to push the air out of any pinholes that might be left in the panel. Up there in the front, that's that fiberall light, and it gets lots of pinholes in it because of the makeup of the compound of it. It traps air bubbles real easy, and it's hard to smash them all out when you're mixing it. So pinholes are inevitable. You just fill them up on your final refinement of the panel. Down here at the bottom, I've got a pretty good low spot there. It's not deep or anything, but I'm going to put the Dolphin Glaze over it so as to make it just so. Now, Dolphin Glaze is very expensive compared to the can of Mondo, so that's why I'm not slobbering it all over the whole panel like a lot of them guys do. They, don't concern themselves with showing you how to save some money. Somebody else is paying for it, so they're just buying it and wasting it and buying it and wasting it, and I don't do that. I'm all about saving money if you can do it without reducing quality, and not using the excessive amount of materials has nothing to do with quality. It has to do with being smart. In this day and age, even if you save as much material as you can, you're still going to spend a fortune on painting a car. So you do-it-yourselfer guys, I know you don't want to spend a fortune doing your car, so that's why I'm showing you methodology that will save you money and not waste a bunch of stuff. Waste not, want not, who said that? Ben Franklin? Yeah, I think so. You already saw me finish and prime this side of the car in a previous video. I just found this one when I was going through my videos that are still left in my storage. I had a few wrinkles there on the edge of the wheel opening. I had to go over with a little bit of Dolphin Glaze, and then back here at the back on the lower part of the quarter panel, I had to tap in a few high spots that were being pesky. So now I'm going to cover them with some Dolphin Glaze. When I get the blocking primer on here, I'll put it on 3 coats thick, because I finished my body work to a fine science, so it's going to be nice and be easy to block. I'm going to only block it one time because like I said, I did the body work good enough, so it's not going to need excessive blocking to make it a nice car. I'm only going for better than factory. I'm not trying to make this a absolute perfection. If you think factory was absolute perfection, you're a big dummy, especially 60s cars. But anyway, please touch my like thingy and subscribe, damn it!